Hello, my traders. This is Leading Forex YouTube channel. Tomorrow, we are going to have some fundamentals that will shake the Forex market tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day of the month, July. That is 31st July, 2024. And tomorrow being the last day of the month, July, the market is going to misbehave. Why am I saying that? It is going to misbehave because we have some fundamental news that is coming. And this news, as I see it, it is very, very important that I come your way and explain it to you so that you can be cautious. Or if anything, you can stay away from the market tomorrow. If you want to agree with me on that score, that is also fine. But if you want to trade tomorrow, 31st day of the month, July, which is tomorrow, Wednesday, you need to be very, very careful about the market, okay? Let me share what I'm seeing with you so that together we can look at what I am expecting to happen tomorrow in the market. So this is the fundamental website. And if you look at this website, as I speak to you now, you will see that we have some red news, some envelopes that are red. So if you don't mind, see how many reds we have. If you don't mind, maybe I can filter this and leave only the red ones. Let me take out the others and leave only the red ones. These are only the red ones. And these are the most important news that comes in our lives on daily basis. When you see the envelopes with the red kind of envelope, they are very, very strong news. And these are fundamental news about various economies. So tomorrow, we are going to have strong news on AUD, CPI. That is Consumer Price Index on AUD. And then also we are going to have manufacturing PMI from China. We are also going to have BOJ policy rate. That is the Japanese bank or Bank of Japan, their policy rate. And this is interest rate decision. And you know that when it comes to interest rate decisions, it's one of the most important fundamentals in the Forex market. And so JPY, we are going to have BOJ, which is Bank of Japan, announcing their new policy rate. And they will follow that with the monetary policy statement. And that will be followed by what they call the press conference. So you see it, these news here on JPY are very, very important. Again, tomorrow we are going to have CPI on Euro, Consumer Price Index on Euro. So this is also coming. Two different news. The yearly one, they have core CPI flash estimate and then CPI flash estimate. And then tomorrow in the afternoon, we are going to have ADP non-farm employment rate. This is different from the non-farm employment rate, but this is ADP non-farm employment rate. Maybe later I can do a video to explain what this means, how this is different from the non-farm employment, all right? So this one is also very important, and it is coming tomorrow. And then tomorrow, at the same time, we have GDP on CAD, Canadian dollar. The government of Canada or the Central Bank of Canada, or we are going to experience a news that is going to be about GDP, how the economy of Canada is growing, how they are able to generate money in Canada in terms of the government. So the GDP, gross domestic product, or whatever they call it, is a very strong news, okay? If you go into detail, it says Statistics of Canada. These are the institutions that will be reading or giving us the news. Change in inflation adjusted value of all goods and services produced by the economy. So we see it. So we are looking at goods that has been produced by the economy, the government. We are looking at whether they are making money or not. So GDP, we all know what it stands for. And Canada government is going to release that GDP. And it is a very strong, important news about CAD. Again, around that time, we are going to have employment cost index on USD. And the most important one about USD is the evening one, the last ones. which is federal funds rate. The US government is going to announce their interest rate, federal funds rate, in the evening. My time, it's going to be 6 p.m. my time. 6 p.m. my time. And federal funds rate, you already know the US, there is going to be elections. And the government is going to announce their funds rate in terms of interest rate. This is a killer that will move the market across board. And it's going to be tomorrow, Wednesday. And it is the same tomorrow that the month of July is ending. And all the currencies are going to have their monthly candle closed tomorrow. All candles, all currencies are going to have their monthly candles closed tomorrow. All the currencies, their monthly candle will close tomorrow. And this is why we all need to be very, very careful. If the market decides it wants to move a certain direction and you stand on its way, it will punish you big time. And if you look at the news that you have just seen, they are all important news. Canada GDP, Japanese yen, they are going to announce their interest rates. Australian dollar, they are going to also announce their consumer price index. And euro, the same thing, their CPI is coming. So it looks like all the currencies across board. Tomorrow, there is going to be very important news on almost all the currencies. Especially the USD, the interest rate on USD. It is very, very vital. And it will move the market, including that of the JPY. So I want to advise you that tomorrow, the fundamentals in the market is going to be very strong. It is going to be the main decider of how the currency market will move tomorrow. So if you are thinking of technical tomorrow, I will want you to take note that tomorrow technical may not be a major player. It will take the fundamentals to decide how the market will behave tomorrow. So please, if you want to stay away from the market tomorrow, please do. But if you also want to trade, then trade cautiously. Manage your risk very well. Because tomorrow, Wednesday, is a big day for the fundamentals. The fundamentals are going to carry the day. Forget about technical. So make sure you take note of this. And make sure you inform others who are traders about this. Tomorrow's market is going to be a different one. Please take notes. I have given you the reasons. 1, the monthly candle is closing tomorrow. The monthly candle will be fully formed tomorrow, which is Wednesday, 31st July. Because on Thursday will be 1st August. So take note of that. So tomorrow will end the monthly candle. And that is very important. And again, all these news I have just shown you are coming. All this news are coming tomorrow. Look at them. Very, very dangerous news. So please, it's either you stay off the market or you trade with caution. That is what I want to tell you. I will want to inform you on time so that you are not caught up. If you have any trade running today, if you get into profit and you feel you cannot hold, just close. If you won't close to, make sure you move your stop loss into profit and lock it and allow it. If the news comes and it takes you out of the market, it will take you out of the market without a loss. It's better than doing anything else. This is Leading Forex. And we come your way to give you information that will be beneficial to your Forex trading. My name is Kofi. This is the reason you should subscribe to this channel and also follow us for updates and information that will help your Forex journey. Is that okay? Thank you very much and thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow as the market behaves fundamentally. All right? Take care.